The timeout feature is very useful when you want to prevent the user of the managed device to interact with their apps. Tap on Timeout on the main menu and select the amount of time you want the screen to be disabled, and then tap Click to Block to activate. On the managed device, a window will appear informing the user how much time is left on the timeout. At the end of the timer, or when the command is removed, the device can be used normally. Also, premium users can set up a schedule of when to automatically activate timeout. Maybe you want to make sure that your child doesn't stay up late on their phone, so you can set up a weekday schedule so that they can focus on getting much needed rest for school the next day.